Good morning, everybody. How are you? I hope you are fit and fine. We have done this chapter exponents and powers earlier also, and now today I am telling you all the examples of this chapter. In this way, there will be revision also of this chapter. First, example 5 is find m so that this into this is equal to this. And we want to find m here, and m is as a exponent in the form of exponent here. See how we will find. This is our left side, this is our right side. In left side we want to multiply to exponential form. So how we will multiply? First we will write the exponent as it is and we will add the exponents. Which law we can use here? We can use this law here. X raised to the power m multiply x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m plus n. This law we will use here. When we want to multiply to exponential form whose bases are same, add the powers. So we will write m plus 1 plus 5 is equal to minus 3 raised to the power 7. Now we can simplify it more. 1 plus 5 is 6 is equal to minus 3 raised to the power 7. Now see, these two are exponential form, bases are same, so exponents will also be same. So we can write, it means m plus 6 is equal to 7. Reason, if you want to write, you can write same base, as bases are same, so exponents will be same, or you can write directly also. Now plus 6 we will shift that side, it will become minus 6, m is equal to 1. This will be the answer. This was our example 5. Now example 4 I am telling you. Example 4. In example 4 he is saying simplify and write in exponential form. 2 raised to the power 5 divided by 2 raised to the power 8 raised to the power 5 into 2 raised to the power minus 5. Minus 4 raised to the power minus 3 minus 5 raised to the power minus 3 minus 5 raised to the power minus 3. Here he is saying simplify and write in exponential form. This he is saying. First see, this is our base, this is exponent, but base is complicated, we have to simplify it. Here bases are same, so base will remain the same and we will subtract the powers, and this outside power will remain as it is, and this also as it is. Which law we are using here? X raised to the power m divided by x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m minus n. This law we are using here. Now what will come? 2 raised to the power 5 minus 8 is minus 3 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power minus 5. 2 raised to the power minus 15 into 2 raised to the power minus 5. Bases are same, so powers will be added. Minus 15 plus minus 5. Minus 5 will be there. Now what will come? 2 raised to the power, here it is divide, na? Yes. Now same sign are there. Same sign are there, so we will add this. Minus 15 plus minus 5 is minus 20. Now negative power is there, we can make it positive. We can write in place of minus 20, we will write plus 20 and we will take reciprocal of the base. So in this way I have written this in exponential form. First we will apply law here, then simplify. 5 minus 8 is minus 3. Again we will apply law here. Which law we will use here? X raised to the power n raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power mn. This law we will use here. Now again we will use one law here. X raised to the power m multiply x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m plus n. This law we will use here, and in this way we will get the answer. Now let us do second part of this This was the first part. Second part is that multiply this. See, all are having same exponent. What is the question here? Minus 4 raised to the power minus 3, 5 raised to the power minus 3, 5 raised to the power minus 3 minus 5 raised to the power minus 3. How we will solve it? All are having same exponent. Bases are different. So we can use this law here. X raised to the power m multiply y raised to the power m multiply z raised to the power m 3 is equal to x y z raised to the power m. Means exponent will remain the same. Exponent will remain the same and we will multiply the bases. Minus 4 into 5 into minus 5. Now multiply this. 100 will come. Minus 3 negative power will be there. Now negative power will become positive and in place of 100 we will write 1 by 100. So in this way we have expressed this in exponential form. Now let us do one more part of this. 1 by 8 multiply 3 raised to the power minus 3. Minus 3 into 5 by 3 and both are having power 4. Simplify and express in exponential form. See how we will solve this. This 8 we will first write in exponential form. We can write as 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, that is 2 cube, and this as it is. Now we can take this exponential form upside. 2 raised to the power 3 is there and if we will take it upside it will be minus 3. And this as it is 3 raised to the power minus 3. Now both are having same exponent, so exponent will remain the same and we will multiply the bases. Which law we will use here? X raised to the power m into y raised to the power m is equal to x into y raised to the power m. This law we will use here. Power will remain as it is and we will multiply the bases. It will be 6 raised to the power minus 3. Now negative power is there. We can make it positive by taking reciprocal of the base. So this will be the answer. Now see this one. This also same. Here also exponent is same. We will write exponent as it is. And we will multiply the bases. 3 will cancel with 3 minus 5 raised to the power 4. This will be the answer of this question. Now let us do one more question. Here it is 1 by 3. This is example 7. 1 by 3 raised to the power minus 2 minus 1 by 2 raised to the power minus 3 divided by 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. Here he is saying simplify it. How we will simplify? See this. And here divide, the sign is of minus. Yes. See, first we will solve this bracket here. Negative exponent is there. If power is negative, then how we will make it positive? By taking reciprocal of the base. So reciprocal of 1 by 3 is 3 and minus 2 will become plus 2. 3 square will come. Here reciprocal of 1 by 2 is 2 and power will become positive. If you want to change the sign of power, take the reciprocal of the base. And here also negative exponent 4 raised to the power 2 will be there. Now what is 3 square? 3 multiply 3. What is 2 cube? 2 into 2 into 2. What is 4 square? 4 square is 4 into 4. 9 minus 8 divided by 16. 1 divided by 16, that is 1 by 16. This will be the answer. Let us do one more example. express in standard form 0. We want to express in standard form 0.000035 and one is 40540 are there followed by 40. We want to write in standard form. You know what is the standard form? K into 10 raised to the power n. This is the standard form. So first we will try to make K here, and for making K, this was told to you that our K should be greater than equal to 1 but less than 10. So we will bring decimal here, means 3.5, and we are going in which direction? We are going in right direction. If right direction, then negative power will be there. Or you can think, see, this number is less than 1. If our number is less than 1, then power will be negative. See how many places we are shifting? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So minus 5 will be, power will be there. Now this is the standard form of this one. See this one here, here no decimal is visible, it means decimal is here. So to make K, we have to come from here to here. Means 4.05 will be our K. Decimal, if decimal will come here, then 4.05000 will be there. No need to write 0 in the end. And now see how many places we are coming to left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 place means power will be positive. Because we are going in which direction? In left. In left we are going means positive power. If we are going in right, then negative power. So this is the standard form of this one. So today you will revise examples. Okay, thank you.